street lights are on now. Hey, Corbin, the street lights are on, you know.
Oh.
I can see one on, and this one is already on as well. It's getting windy a little bit. A good time it'll be raining, hey Corbin?
Yeah.
Because we do need the rain before summertime. To help the little plants and the trees to grow.
Not raining on my side yet.
Not raining over here. Oh, there we go. I got it. Got that on camera. This will be 148, I think. I better check on my YouTube channel after my computer. On my laptop. Okay, I hope the mosquitoes don't come back yet, because I hate those mosquitoes. Oh my god. Not raining yet. Better not rain on me. And I'll be soaking damn wet.
It might be raining pretty soon. No, it's okay though. If I feel the rain, I'll just go.
Okay, the door's still unlocked because we don't want to be locked down in the rain because we'll be all soaking wet. Oh yeah, Corbin. Guess what happened last time when I was outside during the thunder and rain?
What happened?
On 2023 on August, me, Junior, Lauren, and Mervin were outside during the rain and it started raining all over us and we got all living wet.
Oh no.
And we ran inside quickly before it started. And it all started when this happened on 2023.
Oh no.
And we got all living wet. Ew, Corbin, did you fart it?
No.
Who farted then? Was it you? Was it... Ew, Corbin.
That was not me.
Well, who did it then? It was your TikTok account.
Huh?
Your TikTok account farted.
What was my TikTok account? What?
I don't know. It's 9:39. My mom will be home soon from playing slots.
9:34 on mine.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw that one behind the tree.